Hey guys, it's me, Aparna, and you see this black jacket that I'm wearing here? Well, it's actually not a jacket, and it's homemade. But the material is not homemade, and I'm gonna show you how I made it. Let's go! I used a regular pant, like this, and I cut it up where the two legs join, just like that. So that, now if you flip it over, the hole should be big enough so that your head can fit through. And then you can slide it on easily, like this. And what used to be the pant legs are now for your hands to go through. So there are your sleeves. And remember not to make the cut too big at that time. Let's snip away to the final result. So now, I hope you know how to do this fashion hack. And I also encourage you to try this yourself. But remember to ask your parents' permission first, or else they might get really mad at you. So, I hope you learned. Bye! Enjoy!